Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about the brand new Liberty Plaza that's now open. As always, if you need more information, feel free to click any of the links in the descriptive box below, including a link to Amazon.com that has all 10 of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series. There's a lovely new church and park in the village of New Pantoga that is located beside La Comer and cuts across the highway to border with the neighborhood of Allende. Old Pantoga is considered the nearest village to San Miguel de Allende. The original, non-New Pantoga, called Pantoga, is a ranch area folks moved to when the dam was finished in 1969 from the villages then known as San Marcos and Flores that were flooded and forming the lake. Many families moved closer to the railroad and highways to be on dry land and began the brick factories. Bricks are made from sawdust, hay, and a copious amount of livestock dung. Mixed together, then fired into huge ovens, the bricks are dried and then sold all around town for construction projects. New Pantoga started with the formation of their own brick factories, mimicking the original Pantoga, where Mexico was officially proclaimed independent from Spain on St. Joseph's Day back in 1821. The multiple layers, lush park in New Pantoga is called Liberty Plaza, in honor of Jose Ortiz de Dominguez, the wife of the Spanish-appointed mayor of Querétaro. Mother of 14, she opposed the oppressive Spanish colonial government in favor of the indigenous mixed races. Organizing political meetings under the guise of book clubs, she became pals with Miguel Hidalgo and Ignacio Allende. She, despite being under arrest, got the news that the Spaniards were aware of the plans to Hidalgo and Allende, officially starting the War for Independence. In murals around town depicting the War for Independence, she is often the only character seen twice, often facing each other as she's the only insurgent to have survived the war and experienced Mexico once it was free from Spain. Along with her sculpture, a fountain, trees, and flowers, the park includes a state-of-the-art playground and benches with Allende's crest, as seen outside his home in the Jardín. Basically, it is an announcement that Allende was born here and is known everywhere. The bench also features the sun over a nearby mountain. At the top of said mountain, what that New Pantoga backs up on, is the sacred cross the church was named for, Cruz de la Peña, or Cruz on the Rocky Mountain. On the third weekend of May, during the month of the cross comes down the mountain in a pilgrimage for repairs and venerations featuring week-long parties. My pal and I tried to reach the cross from New Pantoga and just couldn't quite master what path would lead us up the mountain to it. So instead, we approached from behind via the road to Alcacer, a village behind the mall alongside the new hospital, and snuck up on the sacred cross. Offering panoramic views of town, New Pantoga, the lake, La Comer, and alike, it's easy to see why the ancient Toltecs considered every mountaintop to have its own deity. Enjoy your May in San Miguel de Allende, the center for the cult of the cross, and the most fun place to be despite the heat and pandemic. As always, feel free to click subscribe now and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they get released here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.